Chief Justice David Maraga has urged judges and magistrates to uphold integrity and deliver justice to Kenyans, asking those with evidence of corruption involving judicial officers to bring it forward for action to be taken.
Maraga was speaking in Mombasa, where he inspected the ongoing construction of the 445 million shilling modern High Court building funded by the World Bank.
The four-storey building, to be named Justice Tower, will house all divisions of the High Court and lower courts that are presently located in various buildings across the county.
The project stalled 6 years ago after the 1.47 hectare plot was grabbed by a Mombasa businessman, resulting in a court battle.
The National Lands Commission and the Ministry of Lands have since returned the plot to the Judiciary.
The Mombasa Governor Hassan Joho and other area leaders were present and said they would support initiatives aimed at bringing justice to the people.
If you have evidence of corruption, the best you can do for this country is to stand up and be counted. Give us that information and you will see what we will do with any judicial officer who is involved in corruption.
So on our side as county government, we want to assure you whatever needs to be done in support of this transformational project shall be done.
I wish to make one request, that upon the completion of these courts, we will want the Admiralty and Maritime Division of the High Court to be permanently based in Mombasa, because this is the place where the maritime business originates from.